So what we do is we help people look for work. So any age, you don't have to be a student. You come in and we do help with resumes, job search, interview. If you want career assessments, we have people that are licensed to do career assessments here. If you want to apply for school, we are connected with the campuses and we can help with that too.
I work with the academic upgrading program, and that program is designed to get people ready for the next level of their career. So it could be people want to get ready for employment, they could want to get ready for college, apprenticeship, or they just may want to just upgrade.
I've been doing some programs here at Fanshawe and they help me get my job. It's a good opportunity to, if you have a career change or you just want to upgrade your skills or anything like that, they have a lot of fun programs that you're able to do and kind of help point you in the right direction.